Good afternoon, students. Up till now, we have covered three main topics of GK, that is My India, Birds and Animal Kingdom, Science. Now comes personalities. Among personalities, topics or two topics are covered, that is Swami Vivekanand and inspiring women. So Vivekananda is page number 20. Moving towards page number 20, Swami Vivekanand. He was an Indian Hindu monk, a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. In India, Vivekananda is regarded as a patriotic saint and his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. His famous sayings are: fill the brain with high thoughts, high ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Three golden rules. Who is helping you? You don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is trusting you? Don't cheat them. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject as poison. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in this world. Fifth one, relations are more important than life, but it is important for those relations to have life in them. Sixth one, we are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts life, they travel far. Seventh, arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is reached. Eighth one, all the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry, that is dark. Ninth one, when an idea exclusively occupies the mind, it is transformed into an actual physical or mental state. Tenth, the world is the greatest gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. 11th one, do not figure out big plans at first, begin slowly. Feel your ground and proceed up and up. 12th, do not wait for anybody or anything. Do whatever you can. Build your hope on none. 13th, have faith in yourselves and stand up on that faith and be strong. That is what we need. 14th, if you can think that infinite power, infinite knowledge, and indomitable energy lie within you, and if you can bring out that power, you also can become like me. 15th, infinite patience, infinite purity, and infinite perseverance are the secret of success in a good cause. So, these are some of the famous sayings of Swami Vivekananda. Now, moving towards page 49, these are the inspiring women and the famous personality. So, first is Arunima Sinha, the first female Indian amputee to scale the Mount Everest. A former national level volleyball and football player, 26-year-old Arunima Sinha's life took a drastic turn when she was thrown out of a moving train for resisting a robbery. Arunima was hit by a passing train. She recovered after being in a critical condition and fighting for her life for several days. Sadly, her left leg would not be saved, but Arunima had no place for pity in her life. She started training for her feet and, under the guidance of Bachendri Pal, became the first woman to climb Mount Everest with prosthetic legs. Then is Malala Yousafzai, the fearless activist who took a bullet for education. When the Taliban took control of the Swat Valley in Pakistan, one girl spoke out. Malala refused to be silenced and fought for her right to an education. On Tuesday, October 9, 2012, she was shot in the head at the point blank range. Malala's miraculous recovery took her on an extraordinary journey from a remote valley in northern Pakistan to the halls of United Nations in New York. At 16, she became a global symbol of peaceful protest and youngest ever Nobel Prize laureate. Then is J.K. Rowling, the best-selling author. She first came up with the idea of a boy discovering he was a wizard on a delayed train to a Manchester. It took 7 years for the idea to become a book. She was unemployed and a single parent to struggling to raise her daughter. She revisited the idea of Harry Potter. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone were initially rejected 12 times, but the rest is history. Today, Rowling is author of the best-selling book series in the history. Then is Hima Das, the first Indian to clinch a track event gold medal at the IAF Under 20 World Athletics Championships. The girl from Assam experienced a lot of hardship to make it till here. She did not have proper shoes, didn't have training, had not seen a professional coach or a field, and came from a humble background. But what she did not lack is the extensive talent and immense courage to fulfill their aspirations. When Hima arrived at the Guwahati Sports Academy, she had never seen a synthetic field in her life. She received sound training and a racing in 400-meter category began from there. Hima Das won a gold for India in the under 20 category at the IIF Championship in 400-meter sprint race category. Then is Mary Kom, the magnificent Mary. Mary Kom was born in Manipur in 1983. She grew up in conflict-torn state of Manipur and was a member of marginalized tribal community. She comes from an impoverished background and could not afford proper shoes and sports to gear to pursue her passion. She would work in the fields, cut wood, and help her family to earn a livelihood. Despite all these problems, Mary Kom has been at the top of international women's boxing for the last 10 years, winning the World Boxing Championship for 5 times. All this together has earned Mary Kom the nickname Magnificent Mary.